Set Rastafari. So, we're up on a journey. Chad Blog family, blessed love, warm welcome again, you know. We're there upon another upload. Don't know how the thing go. Please remember to like, subscribe and share. Leave a comment saying in a Ghana, and we'll show some footage and some memories of being on Labadi beach for the first time. May I tell her? Yeah, great vibe. Zin. So, here goes. Dip on the beach. You know what I mean? Sunday evening. Nice and sunny. You know, people are full joy themselves. We're there. We are talk to the cameras. You don't know. Touching at the place for the first time. Different type of vibe, different type of energy. You know what I mean? You're meeting, our families from, near and far. Now we are linked up on the motherland, on the Sile, Zane, yeah man, on the west coast, Africa. And I tell you, place look nice. Kinda remind me still of Helshire, a place where we used to go every Sunday. More time on a Saturday still, but mainly on a Sunday. Sunday is more a beach day. You understand? Every day, any day can be a beach day still, but Sunday in a Jamaica, Helshire vibe, different type of frequency, different type of vibe. May I tell you? Yes, so first time, Labadi Beach, Ghana, Accra. Yeah, and me I tell her the vibe, nice. That's the reason with the Virgin Lance Curve. Zane I talk to him audience on him social platform. Yeah. And you don't know, we are share, our experience, while there in Ghana, for the first time, and it's a great energy, and them type of energy that you have to share. Just keep them things to yourself. You know what I mean? So that's why we even there. So now I bring this to the item. I make the item, kind of get a feel in terms of the visual. You know what I mean? Yeah. Cause don't know where I go through on the beach, and people. Hustlers and people who are trying to make a money. You see, beach look nice still. I like the setup. The little umbrellas. Well, not even little umbrellas, but the shade. And how everything kind of structure. You have somewhere to sit and nice. Yeah, man. Sun the sky bright. The Virgin them pan them. Animal are go through and the motor too. All the things are go on, hustling are go on, you know what I mean? If you jump up on the animal there, you have to just pay a little small fee, Yeah. Some nice sisters are go through, Yeah, full joy there, the weather, the sun, the breeze, the sea. The water rush up on the shores and hitting the, the foot bottom, the heels. Yeah. But Ghana nice. Ghana is a nice place. And the beach has, you look how everything set up, so the vibe on the beach, nice. Because that are just on the front part of the beach, Not really the front part, but, Because the entrance, the entrance is different from the front still. The front of the front part of the beach, yes sir, Yes, what the front part of the beach we are talking about. We're not talking about the entrance. But on the front, when you go, around at the back still, there's a different type of, settings around there to said way. Certain place you can, go upstairs and sit down and, music are play and, people are do them thing. Yeah, great energy, great vibe. The atmosphere is, vibrant. Friendly. Yeah, very friendly. Very friendly. And you see nobody has screw up them face and, people just want to have a good time. People are full joy themselves on the beach. No bad energy, no bad vibe, just great vibe, Yeah, family settings. Because most upon a Sunday, so the family always turn out, don't? Yeah. So, family settings, man. Great. That's why I'm going to encourage everyone to really, touch the shores of Africa. Ghana, the gateway. So it's a good vibe to touch Ghana. I will always advertise and promote Ghana in every way. You see it? Yeah, man. In every way. Because, what we experience is great. So we buck up on some virgin and sister now, we do some traditional, traditional drumming and dancing and, yeah, it was great. Great energy. Great energy. Different settings. See, everybody have them phone out. Yeah, because the atmosphere is just great. The youths. Yeah, man. So up the coast again, we're gone. You know what I mean? Yeah. All a little rems with the family Dessa. Don't know, so we are shub up Dessa again. You know? Yeah, man. But a them type of energy, a them type of vibe, you know what I mean? Ghana have a lot for offer. So don't feel like say boy when you come to Africa boy, you can't full joy on yourself. There's a lot of things to experience. You see? Yeah, a lot of things to experience, man. Yeah. Nice African queens, I tell her. You know? King Virgin them there in the place to said way. You know, everything is there, man. I tell her, yeah. Africa, them say a heaven, them say a Zion. But it's how you make your heaven upon earth, you know. Because outside of earth we don't know about. So them say Africa is heaven. So when you're there at heaven, you have to just full joy yourself. You know what I mean? In the best way you can. You know, because I know just the beach alone, but me I tell her the beach as the eye them can see. A whole lot of things that go on the beach. The beach busy. You know what I mean? The beach is busy, man. Busy. You see? Whole lot of activity. Family. The settings is royal. Alright? Yeah. Royal. So right, that's how I leave it. I keep it moving. I just start chat vlog. Manners and respect. Peace and love.